My dad had been a lawyer in Orlando since the mid-1950s, and when I became a lawyer in 1981, I had the privilege of practicing law with him for 5 years until he retired. He was a great, wonderful mentor for me.
And you appreciate every bit of the fact that you had the chance to have him as a mentor.
Yes.
And Tom, that is a really wonderful thing because not many people have that same opportunity.
Well, I have very many clear memories about practicing law with my father back in 1981 in the early days. And one was that I would sit in his office. That's really what I did all day. I would sit in his office. He was paying me to do it. But I would listen to him talk and counsel clients. And I remember thinking, how will I ever know as much as my dad knows? And very slowly over the years, it's kind of soaked in.
And now you're probably like, wow, it's like a blink of an eye. But obviously, so much and even beyond, I'm sure now what your dad even knows because there's things that, have changed. But I think that what's really also fun is that, think about it, there's certain things that have changed, but a lot of the things are still the same.
Still the same. A little bit more complicated, but still the same. Yeah. Well, that's how I'd spend my day. But I remember we would always wind up our day by me sitting across the desk from him playing gin rummy. So he was really into gin rummy, and we enjoyed that. And that desk that he had custom made for himself, that is the desk that is sitting in my office now. I'm sitting at his desk. It's in a different building.
I can tell you, Tom, too, that I often, when it's appropriate and I have a client, I bring them back there, that I share with them about that your dad had that custom desk made for him and that you use it to this day. And I'm telling you, every time I look at it, it warms my heart because I think that's a really, really special that he had it made for himself and you are using it to this day.
Yeah, I've still got the receipt for it, as a matter of fact.
I think that's pretty awesome.
All right. Well, I'm glad I got to share that with you, Chrissy.
Thank you.